Here I am again. Well, today I'm out after pigeons. I've got some big oaks around the corner, and all I'm going to do is throw a quick little hide together. Let's see how we get on. Beautiful shot. There he is, very nicely taken pigeon. These winds are not helping that much. As you can hear, it's quite a windy day today, so that was quite nicely put. Oh, plenty of pigeons flying. Bloody hundreds of them. Come down here. Beautiful shot. Cracking shot. Very nicely taken pigeon, that one. Let's bag him up. Beautiful shot. Another nice, very good pigeon. Let's bag him up. There you are, my little beauties. Staying well out of the way. Yeah, you'll make a mistake one day. You'll get up here. Plenty of magpies. God, this has got to be the hardest feed of the day. But one of the best feeds of the day. Lovely. Very nicely taken pigeon. Dang. Straight down. Cracking shot. Very nicely taken pigeon, that one. Ooh. Yeah, no messing with that one. Let's bag him up. Get your head back, you bastard. Lovely shot. There he is. A little bit of a bleeder, that one. Well taken pigeon though. Let's bag him up. Bloody branch in the way. Move your head this side. Come on, move your head. Thank you. Just how I like to see him. Very nice pigeon. Let's get him in the bag, ready. Thank you. Another very nice pigeon for the bag. Doing well today on these pigeons. Oh, cracking shot. Get out there some of that. Let's go find him. Another nice pigeon. Let's get him ready for the bag. A very nice crow. Let's dump him in the bush. Nice. Straight out the tree. Absolutely cracking shot. Absolutely fucking stunning, in fact. Come here. Thank you. Another crow for the foxes. Digging them out of there. Nicely taken. Look where he's landed. He's landed on the branch. Hope you enjoyed that little session of pigeons. All we've got to do now is work out how to get them off that branch. Hope you enjoyed the footage anyway. Take care and I'll see you soon. I'm just about to stand here and look at lemming trying to climb a tree, getting a pigeon back. I shot it, I want it. See you again soon. Dave Ratz saying, see you later lads.